Hi, this is Megan Hay from McGraw-Hill's Digital Success Team. In this video, we'll be reviewing how to add a question pool to a Connect assignment. First, you'll want to select the questions you want to add to your question pool. You can either add a random selection generated by the Connect system, or you can select the questions yourself by checking the box beside the questions you want to add. Once you've selected your questions, we'll click Add Checked Questions and select Add to a Pool. From there, we'll give the pool a name, and then we'll configure the pool by selecting how many questions we want the pool to draw and the points we want each question to be worth. We'll click Add to Pool, and then we'll receive confirmation that the pool has been created. From there, we can continue to add more pools to the assignment. You can create more than one pool, or you can continue to add questions to the pool you've already created. When you click Add Checked Questions, Add to a Pool, you can then add to your existing pool or create a new pool. Once you have all the questions selected and the pools created, you can click on the Organize Assignment tab to review your question pools and make any changes you need to. You can move questions from one pool to another by selecting that question and clicking Edit Pools at the top of your screen. You can move to another pool, you can merge pools, and you can also rename any of your pools. Once you have your questions and question pools set, you can click Continue at the bottom right-hand corner. This will take you to the next page where you can set your start and due dates and adjust your assignment policies.